The floating bridge of Shizuguan, also known as the Long Bridge of Dreams, was built using special German technology. It's made up of many high-density polyethylene floats that are filled with water for extra stability. Assuming they maintain control and obey the slow speed limit, drivers should be perfectly safe as they feel the water gently roll beneath them. But accidents still happen. In 2023, a minivan carrying 7 people crashed through the guardrail and sank in the Qingjiang River. Sadly, 5 people perished, forcing the Shizuguan scenic area to suspend bridge operations. They reopened in December of 2024 after making several safety improvements. From what we can gather, this was the only reported accident on the Bridge of Dreams since it opened in 2016. With 20 lines, over 500 stations, and roughly 517 miles of track, the Shanghai Metro is among the most expensive subway systems in the world. In 2021, the city broke ground on a new 27-mile line between the Minhang and Jiading districts. Things were running smoothly, and the line was slated to open sometime in 2027. Then, a mishap on February 12th of 2026 set them back a few weeks, if not months. According to local reports, the sinkhole formed when groundwater seeped into the soft soil layer, eroding the surface and creating several voids. It was basically a ticking time bomb that imploded once the weight of the pavement became too heavy. Unfortunately, most of Shanghai's geology consists of permeable soft soil and silty sand, which means builders must be extremely precise, especially when digging underground. One minor miscalculation can cause everything to collapse. On January 25th of 2022, locals in Selangor, Malaysia began noticing cracks forming in the road after several days of heavy rain. They knew the signs as soon as they saw them. Landslides are all too common in this region of the world, especially in the rainy season. But despite the looming danger, several of them decided to risk moving their cars before it was too late. 5 empty cars fell roughly 20 feet into the ravine that day. On the bright side, the owners were able to recoup their losses, assuming they had insurance. According to local officials, the landslide was caused by a burst drainage pipe during the storm. Endless streams of water weakened the foundation, leading to early cracks. At that point, it was only a matter of time until the road gave way.